Spotting the passive. Unlocking the mystery of passive voice. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will be focusing on a very interesting and important aspect of English writing: identifying passive voice sentences. By mastering this skill, you'll not only enhance your understanding of the English language but also make your writing clearer and more direct. So, let's dive right into it. In passive voice, the subject of the sentence receives the action rather than performing it. The focus is on the action itself, and often the doer of the action is either unknown or less important. Example of passive voice: the cake was eaten. We don't know who ate the cake. Example of active voice: Sarah ate the cake. Sarah is the one who performed the action. Recognizing passive voice is essential for various reasons. 1. Improves understanding. Understanding whether a sentence is passive helps in comprehension. 2. Enhances writing. Converting passive to active voice makes sentences more engaging and clear. 3. Academic and professional writing. Knowing when to use passive or active voice is vital in formal writing. Here are the steps to identify a passive voice sentence. 1. Look for be verbs. Passive sentences often use forms of the verb to be, am, is, are, was, were, being, been. 2. Find the past participle. Passive sentences usually have a verb in the past participle form. 3. Check the subject. See if the subject is receiving the action rather than performing it. Example: the letter was written by John. Here, was is the be verb, and written is the past participle. The subject, letter, is receiving the action. Now that you know how to spot passive voice, it's time to practice. Try identifying the passive voice in these sentences. 1. The books were read by the students. 2. The meal is being prepared. 3. The speech was given. Feel free to pause the video to think about them. Answers: 1. Passive. The books were read. 2. Passive. The meal is being prepared. 3. Passive. The speech was given. Thank you for joining me in this enlightening journey through the world of passive voice. I hope this lesson has made the concept of identifying passive voice clearer. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exercising your newly acquired skill. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.